Welcome to another lovely video, guys. Collect some smaller stones as you could from your garden.
Take 2 brown cups of different size and remove the top.
And place the popsicle like sticks around it. And have a thick brown thread around it. And with a small log of cardboard, make it even more larger, the smaller one. Have some seashells stuck onto it. With a glue gun, place some little pebbles around in a circle shape to make it appear like a pond. Do the same on the outline as well. Take even more shells resembling a stairs. Do even more stones and paint blue on the seashells resembling water. And have some little shrubs and paste them into it so that it looks naturally cool. And now you have a cool water pot. Place your favorite pots inside to make it absolutely cool. Take the black container which you ordered food and remove the top part and do the popsicle-like design at the bottom as we did before, but a little gap in between, and wind the thread at the bottom and do the same alternative design covering the entire popsicle stick. And secure the top with some thick stripe of brown thread, and at the bottom we're gonna stick some 3 logs of wood in a triangular manner. Now we have a pot with an elevated shape. If the water drains off, it's very easy to clean it as
Brown paper cup and cut it all the way to the bottom, make it like a sun.
and have some thread wind at the bottom in a thick manner, and also do the alternative design as we did before. Wind it all the way to the top, to the top with some thread. And have a thick stripe of braiding, do the excess parts in the braiding design, and have a cute basket with those stationery or some little plants. You can have an empty long box like this. One, have chopsticks, break them apart, and the gap between them. Wind the bottom part with thread. Do the alternative design, winding up the top. Have a thick thread to cover the top as well. Do the wheel as we did before. That's it. Now we have double board and a bag. Well, if we could make a house, it would be amazing. Need a container to put these accessories? Come on, let's make fun. Take 2 brown cups, remove the ring from the first one. Prepare the popsicle-like thing for sticking. Place the ring at the bottom of the cup. You stick them, gap between them. Now take another big cup, do the sun design as we did before. Now wind the thread at the bottom. This time we're gonna wind and make it like a brown. And then covers the top part of the thing. Right, wind it all the way to the top and secure it with a thick thread. Do some decorations. Lovely hut. Thank you for watching this video, guys. See you in another video. Bye.